January, a month of setbacks, lying on the floor, and getting back up anyways. Thank you for tuning in to my little corner of the internet. I hope that your January has been everything you needed it to be, that your highs were beautiful, and that your lows were met with compassion and kindness. I've been sending out a monthly email newsletter, and I thought it would be fun to turn them into video newsletters. I send out free digital downloads each month and a discount code, so you'll have to sign up to the emails to get those. I've got a link to my newsletter sign up page in the description of this video. Yesterday, I frantically worked on a shop update so that I would have more to share in this newsletter than just how sad my January has been. It's already the end of January, so I think I need to stop blaming a tiring Christmas break for my lack of energy and motivation. It's been a rough month, both professionally and personally, but there's a beauty in the fresh start of a new month, and I'm looking forward to February and all that it brings. I didn't think it was going to happen, but I have a shop update. It's mostly journals with a couple of purses thrown in there for fun. Click the new releases link to have a browse through these for all your stationery needs as well as other goodies you might have missed. I've been learning a lot about progress this month through facing disappointing realities of going 4 steps back and 0 steps forward. My husband is a bit obsessed with bouldering, and I reluctantly go with him every now and then. The other Saturday I went climbing and I was very grumpy about it. And then because I was irritable and had low energy, my body was weak and I just physically couldn't climb the level that I usually do. I had to climb a few grades down, and it's not a big deal, but I was so triggered. I cried 3 times in the climbing gym and it was just the worst time ever. I was triggered because it made me face some areas in my life where I'm just hitting a wall and need to go back to square one. It is hard, but I'm reminding myself that going backwards doesn't mean your time has been wasted, it doesn't mean you're a failure, and it doesn't necessarily mean you're doing something wrong. If you're in this situation, refuse to take on any kind of shame and don't compare your journey to anyone else's. Maybe I'm just talking to myself here, but hopefully the reminder to be kind to yourself sticks with you too. This month we have the February Flower Calendar printable you can download, print out and use to organise your month. We also have the painting as a phone wallpaper. Subscribe to my mailing list to get the link to download those goodies. Have the best February, guys. Thank you so much for your love and support.